Today I want to share something that affects millions of people around the world. The reasons why you are broke. Now, being broke is not always about how much money you earn. Sometimes it's about how you think, how you manage what you have, and even the spiritual relationship with God. So if you don't get that one right, it is not going to work for you. Money is not just a financial issue. It is a spiritual one that shapes your relationship with God. Money touches every part of our lives. We talk about our dreams, our worries, our families, and even our faith. Jesus talked about money more than any other topic, not because money is evil, but because it reveals what truly owns your heart. And if God doesn't own your heart, guys, it's not going to work. So today we're going to unpack what the Bible really teaches about money. So stay with me, because by the end of this message, you will never look at your wallet the same way again. Number one reason why you are still broke is because you think everything belongs to you. You think you own everything. Now, when you read the Bible in Psalms 24 verse 1, it says, "The earth is the Lord and everything in it. It all belongs to God." This verse completely changes our perspective. Many people will often say, my money, my house, my car, my business, it's my, and yet we didn't bring anything into this world. But the Bible teaches that everything belongs to God. We are not owners, we are just stewards. So if you are a steward, you do not own. A steward manages what belongs to someone else. When you understand this truth, you stop wasting resources and begin to manage money wisely. When we read Luke 16 verse 10, it says, "Whoever can be trusted with the very little can also be trusted with much." God often looks at how we manage small things before entrusting us with bigger things. So you are sitting there working hard, wanting to make money, but you are not able to manage what God has already given to you. And if He checks our hearts and say, if He is able or she is able to manage the little that I have given her, then more responsibility will come. So we become rich when we are trusted with what we have. So when I think of my life, I've been a person who worked in IT and earned a lot of money, but with that money, I wasn't managing it well. So when I stopped, guys, think about it, I used to earn this big salary. How do I survive up until today if I resigned 3 years ago and now I do not have money? I am surviving because now I am totally dependent on God, because now I am surrendering to God, because now I realize that money doesn't belong to me, it belongs to God, and He is able to provide for me. Crypto cannot provide for me, stocks cannot provide for me. All these ways of making money, it is not providing for me. God is providing for me. So I get to a point in a month where I do not have anything, like my bank will be on zero, but because God is the one who provides and He's the one who's looking at my heart, He is able to provide for me even in those times. So we need to understand that money doesn't belong to us.